Hello friends, good morning. I am Rajinder Jatana on this side, coming up with Paltu vectors and 3D. So today I'll be starting with 3D planes. So first of all, let us try to understand what is a plane. Look here. Definition is, a plane is a surface. Look here. A plane is a surface such that if any 2 points A and B are taken on it, then the line joining AB lies on the surface. This is the definition of plane. In analytical geometry, that is coordinate geometry, equation of point, line and plane are written as under. Point is written as AX plus B equal to 0. Straight line is written as AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. And plane is written AX plus BY plus CZ plus D equal to 0. देखिए पॉइंट में सिर्फ x है, लाइन में x और y है, प्लेन में x, y, z है. 3D is there. So 5 letters in plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there in plane. Then there are 5 equations of plane. These are the 5 equations of plane. I have written the mnemonic, naughty. N stands for normal form, O stands for 1 point form, T stands for 3 point form, I stands for intercept form, next I stands for plane passing through intersection of 2 planes. Now, before we proceed further, I will advise you to have following picture of plane in your mind. कभी भी आपको प्लेन का क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो यू हैव टू थिंक दैट देयर इज ए वुडन प्लैंक सरफेस, इसके अंदर 90 डिग्री पे परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस देयर इज ए नेल हेयर. ये जो नेल है, ये जो वेक्टर है, ये बन जाता है नॉर्मल वेक्टर. नॉर्मल मीन्स परपेंडिकुलर, परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर. ये जो ए बी सी है, यही होता है नॉर्मल वेक्टर. यही कील होता है जो इसके लकड़ वाले फट्टे के ऊपर लगा हुआ है. सो दिस नेल इन द वुडन प्लैंक इज द नॉर्मल एंड इट्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर A, B, C. Now look here. Every first degree equation in three variables x, y, z is a plane. Look here. AX plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Degree of x is 1, degree of y is 1, degree of z is 1. So it is a 1 degree, that is, it is a linear. So equation of plane is written as this. Now to determine the values, to determine the equation of plane, we should have the values of a, b, c, d. अगर a, b, c, d पता लग गया तो हम इसकी इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं. अब ए बी सी डी दे आर 4. दे आर एक्चुअली नॉट 4. दे विल बी 3. डिवाइड all the terms of this plane equation by d. It becomes a over d x, b over d x, y, c over d z, d over d is 1 equal to 0. Now look here. If we replace a by d as capital A, b by d as capital B, c by d as capital C, a, b, c. So we must know the value of these a, b, c. There are 3 conditions. So ये जो a, b, c कैपिटल लेटर्स में है, ये कंडीशंस बन गई हैं. ये तीनों मालूम होनी चाहिए. So we'll find that 3 conditions are given to satisfy the equation of plane. So this was what it was there. Now let us start further. Naughty, N stand for normal form. N stands for normal form. Now I am starting with the normal form. Here is the normal form of equation of plane. Normal means perpendicular. ये जो plane है, you take it, it is a flowing kite in the space. Take it this way. यहाँ से धागे से ये बांधा हुआ है. This is perpendicular to this. It is from the origin, reference point. यहाँ से बांधा हुआ है. So there is a perpendicular. This is normal. Distance is, length is d. So it will become d n cap. Consider a plane where perpendicular distance from the origin is d. ये जो distance है, that is d. D for distance. N is the normal vector. ON is the normal or perpendicular from the origin to the plane. Normal means perpendicular. Normal form means perpendicular form. So it will become d into n cap. So now P, X, Y, Z is the general point in the plane. And accordingly OP is the position vector of R. This is the position vector. I told you previously that whenever we are having the general point, then the vector is represented by R. So this is R. Now ON is perpendicular on NP. दो वेक्टर परपेंडिकुलर हैं, डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0. NP dot ON is 0. A and B are perpendicular, then A dot B is 0. Now NP can be written as OP minus ON. फाइनल पॉइंट में से इनिशियल पॉइंट घटा दो. OP minus ON dot ON is equal to 0. OP is R. ON is dn cap. ON is dn cap. This d will go this side, it will become 0. 0 over d is 0. N cap is there. Take n cap inside. R n cap minus d n cap square. N cap जब अंदर जाएगा, R से हेलो करेगा, it will become R n cap. D n cap से हेलो करेगा, n cap n square. So d n square. N square is 1. Unit square is 1. So it is 1. So R n cap minus d. D को इस तरफ ले जाओ. R n cap is equal to d. So it is R. इसको कैपिटल R लिख दो. ये n है, ये d है. रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. दिस इज द निमोनिक. सो कभी भी आपको नॉर्मल फॉर्म करना है, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट आपको याद रखना है. तो दिस इज R, दिस इज n कैप, दिस इज इक्वल डी. सो रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. सो ये पलटू राम जो है आपकी बहुत हेल्प करने जा रहा है. आपको याद रखना है, ये निमोनिक्स याद रखनी है. सो ये डेरिवेशन मे नॉट बी दैट necessary, but remembering this equation will be quite useful in our questions. So research and development. ये n cap है. अब देखिए नॉटी में नॉर्मल फॉर्म हो गया. O से 1.5. Equation of plane passing through a given point and perpendicular to the given vector. Now look here, A is the point and this nail is the normal vector, perpendicular vector. This is there, perpendicular to the given plane. This is there, this is given to you. It is ABC, I told you, and this is x1, y1, z1. Now P is the general point and its position vector is always R. So OP is R. And N vector is the normal vector. N vector is the normal vector. This is the normal vector, means perpendicular vector. The key nail, N stands for nail, or normal vector. So look here, AP and this N, they are perpendicular. Dot product will be 0. AP and N, they are perpendicular. Dot product will be 0. AP can be written as OP minus OA. Final point minus initial point. OP minus OA. Dot N. Take, now what it has become? OP is R. O is A vector. This is N vector. So write this small r as capital R, small a as capital A, small n as capital N. क्या बन गया? RAN. Oh, this is RAN. And it was research and development, and 1 point form is RAN. So R minus A into vector N is equal to 0. R we know it is XYZ. A we know it is X1, Y1, Z1. N vector is ABC. N vector is ABC. So on solving X minus X1, Y minus Y1, Z minus Z1, dot ABC. So on multiplication, so this is dot product A X into X minus plus B into Y minus Y1 plus C into Z minus Z1 equal to 0. This is the 1 point form. So how to remember it? The normal form is research and development, R N cap equal to D, and 1 point form is RAN. Now let us go further. 3 point form. R vector is always XYZ. A vector is X1, Y1, Z1. B vector is X2, Y2, Z2. C point is X3, Y3, Z3. So this plane is passing through 3 points. Plane is passing through 3 points. Now, स्ट्रेट लाइन में हमने करा था रब एंड रब्बा, सीधे लोग परमात्मा से डरते रहते हैं. अब देखिए प्लेन क्या बनने जा रहा है? रब्बा सा. इट इज अगेन गॉड. राजस्थान में सा करके बोलते हैं. रब, रब्बा, रब्बा सा. दिस इज नॉर्मल फॉर्म, 1 point form, 3 point form. So here is the derivation of 3 point form. I'll simply tell you. Look here. This is R, S, T. There are 3 points. This is R, this is S and T. 3 points will be there. Now R is there, S is there, and this, look here, R, S, T, they are there. So one point is X1, Y1, Z1, another point is X2, Y2, Z2, third point is X3, Y3, Z3. So P is the general point. अब इन दो पॉइंट्स को R और S को मिला दो और R और T को मिला दो. इनकी जो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट होगी वो नॉर्मल होती है. कील का होना ज़रूरी है. So I have derived it and the formula is like this. रब्बा सा R or A. R vector is X, Y, Z and A is X1, Y1, Z1. No, X minus X1, Y minus Y1, Z minus Z1. Ba, second point or ये first point. So B is your X2, Y2, Z2. A is X1, Y1, Z1. So बन गया बा. सा, X3, Y3, Z3 minus X1, Y1, Z1. Rabba sa. So this is how you have to remember. You have to always apply this formula for finding the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. Points are X1, Y1, Z1. Other point is X2, Y2, Z2. Third point is X3, Y3, Z3. So Rabba sa. So अगेन आई रिपीट इट, रब रब्बा, ये तो सीधे लोग स्ट्रेट लाइन, प्लेन के अंदर आता है रब्बा सा, 3 पॉइंट फॉर्म. नाउ लेट अस गो फर्दर. इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू प्लेन्स. ये देखिए प्लेन नंबर 1 इज देयर, इट इज रिटन डिनोटेड विद पाई 1, ये नोटेशन है. दूसरा प्लेन इट इज पाई 2. आई कॉल दिस प्लेन पापा प्लेन, पाई 2 को मान लीजिए मम्मी प्लेन. एंड दिस प्लेन इज पासिंग थ्रू द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू प्लेन्स. व्हेन द टू प्लेन्स इंटरसेक्ट देयर इज ए लाइन पॉइंट, this intersection is a line. This plane is passing through this line. We have to find the equation of this. This is a baby plane. It is father here, mother here, and baby is there. We are interested to find the equation of baby plane. It is very, very easy. Pi 1 is, in the normal form, is R n cap d1, n1 d1. Second plane is R n2 d2. So equation of baby plane is, remember this, pi 1 plus lambda pi 2. ये lambda DNA है. pi 1 first plane, equation is given to you. pi 2 second plane, equation is given to you. इन दोनों planes की equation दे रखी होगी. We have to find the equation of baby plane. Plane passing through the intersection of this. This intersection is the DNA. So baby का DNA और parents का DNA same होता है. So it is passing through this. So equation becomes pi 1 plus lambda pi 2. That is plane 1. This is plane 2, and this is the multiplication lambda. So equation of plane passing through intersection of two planes. This is the equation. Now let us go further. Intercept form equation of plane. Now this triangular shape is the plane. It is touching all the three axes, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and there are intercepts. There is A intercept, there is B intercept, there is C intercept. So point P will be on x-axis, y is 0, z is 0. On y-axis, Q point is on y-axis. Y वाला तो होगा, B is there, 0, A is 0, C is 0, B is there. This is the intercept is here C only. So x is 0, y is 0, and this is z-axis, so this is C. So this intercept is C, this is A, this is B. So equation is, we know, it is in the case of 2D, equation is x over A plus y over B plus is equal to 1. In this case, the equation will become x over A plus y over B plus z over C is equal to 1. This will be 3 point form. आप 1 point form लिख दीजिए, उसमें ये substitute करते जाइए. You will get 3 equations. On solving, equation becomes x over A plus y over B plus z over C. So this is what I wanted to teach you today. So I hope you might have understood this. If you like my videos, please do subscribe. Good day. Bye.